The Biome Baby Box is here. Let's take a look what's inside. Ditching disposable nappies never looked so good. They're adjustable and will grow with your child. No more need for covers, the outer layer helps to stop leaks. Made with organic ingredients, this bottom balm will help soothe nappy rash and reduce redness by acting as a barrier and protecting the skin. Next up is a pacifier made from natural rubber. Its solid design also helps to eliminate those nooks and crannies that can harbour bacteria. A gentle, unscented soap that won't dry out baby's skin. It features beautiful oils such as jojoba, olive and coconut. How adorable is this froggy Rattle? Whether they chew or shake it, you'll feel safe knowing it's 100% non-toxic. These are a great alternative to disposable wipes. Just add water and wipe away. Matching accessories. The bib has a bit of extra length for those messy dinner times. And how cute is this little hat? Both are made from organic cotton that helps the skin breathe. And finally, a spoon. This one is actually made out of recycled milk bottles. Find the baby box online or at your local Biome store.